How to draw Forky, step by step. Hey, learn how to draw Hub crew. If you're not yet subscribed, be sure to go hit that button so we can keep you up to date on the latest videos. Now let's begin. For the first step, we're going to begin by making a circle with another circle inside of it. This will be the first eye of Forky. The second circle will be colored in black for the pupil. Now let's move a little bit to the right to make the second eye. This one will be a little bit smaller and the pupil will look a little bit different because Forky has googly eyes. Nice job so far. Now let's go right below the eyes. We're going to begin to make the mouth of Forky. We're going to do this by making a shape that looks similar to a lemon or almost like a moon. Later on in the video, we're going to color this in a blue color. Now let's outline that moon-like shape that we just made. Now we have the eyes made as well as the mouth. Let's move above the mouth and we're going to begin to draw a big eyebrow. Later on in the video we're going to color this in a red color. Whoa, Forky's face looks awesome. Now below the mouth we're going to begin to draw what will look like a bubbled letter X. This will be the center of Forky's arms. Now we just have to draw the second part. The second part will be facing the opposite way of the one that we just drew. Now this is where it gets really fun because we're going to connect everything that we just drew. We're going to start from the left side of the bubble letter X shape and we're going to connect it above the eyebrows, eyes, and mouth. It's going to loop back down to where we just started. At the very top, above Forky's eyebrow, we're going to make 4 small points. And if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. Now let's go ahead and connect this all the way back down. Very nice. Now let's draw one line to connect. Now moving below, we're going to begin to draw what will hold Forky's feet together. It will look similar to a big glob. Wow, our big glob looks similar to a cloud. Now we're going to use 2 lines going up and down to connect it to the rest of Forky. Now in the center skinny blank portion of Forky, we're going to begin to add in some lines along with small circles for detail. Stick around until the very end so that we can color our drawing together. Also, if you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Now this part's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to begin to draw the arms and hands of Forky. We're going to start off on the right hand side. You can make the arms as crazy as you would like. So far, our drawing is coming along very well. Now, just like how we drew an arm on the right hand side, we also have to do the same thing on the left hand side. Let's move to the left side and do the same thing right now. Now last but not least, we're going to go below that big lob that we previously made, and we're going to begin to make 2 feet for Forky. We're going to do this by using big U-like shapes, and then we're going to underline them. Now let's go back to the point of which we started and begin our underline. And to finish today's drawing, let's move to the left and draw Forky's left foot. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Forky. If you want to help us continue to grow our channel, be sure to subscribe and give this video a big like. Now stick around so that we can color our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.